Shrink swelling fast. 7 collagen superfoods for pain-free legs and strong joints. If you've noticed your legs swelling more often after a short walk, or your knees feeling stiff when you get up from a chair, you're not alone, and you're not imagining it. After 60, our body's natural collagen production drops dramatically, sometimes by more than 50%. And that loss shows up in our joints, our muscles, and even in how well our legs handle daily pressure. Collagen is not just a beauty nutrient. It's the protein that gives structure, elasticity, and strength to your tendons, ligaments, and the cartilage cushioning your joints. Without enough of it, tiny cracks form in cartilage, inflammation creeps in, and swelling becomes a constant companion. The good news? Certain foods can naturally boost your collagen levels, helping your body repair that damage and keeping your legs lighter, stronger, and pain-free. Today, we'll reveal 7 collagen-rich superfoods that are backed by research to fight swelling and support your joints. Plus, we'll explain how they work in your body, so you'll know exactly why each bite matters. By the end of this, you'll have a clear, natural roadmap to keep walking with confidence, even into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Number 7. Wild-caught salmon. Out of all the collagen-supporting foods, this one is often underestimated. But for seniors who want to shrink swelling and keep their joints moving smoothly, wild-caught salmon can be a game-changer. Every tender bite delivers not just the high-quality protein your body needs to produce collagen, but also a rich dose of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats work like an internal anti-inflammatory, calming the swelling inside your knees, ankles, and hips that makes walking and standing such a challenge after 60. Collagen acts as the scaffolding that holds your cartilage together, while omega-3 south act like the oil that keeps that structure from grinding and breaking down. Without both, cartilage wears thin, bones rub closer, and every step feels heavier. With them, your joints get the tools to rebuild, repair, and stay flexible. Scientific research backs this up. Seniors who eat oily fish like wild-caught salmon at least twice a week report less morning stiffness, greater range of motion, and even reduced dependency on painkillers. One long-term study found that older adults who included salmon in their diet over a year showed measurable improvements in walking speed and balance, which can dramatically lower fall risk. But there's another secret inside salmon: astaxanthin, the red pigment that gives it its rich color. This antioxidant has been shown to protect joint cells from oxidative stress, meaning less long-term wear and tear. And because wild-caught salmon grows in a natural environment, it typically has higher omega-3 levels and far fewer contaminants, like mercury, compared to farmed salmon. If you want the full benefit, aim for 2 to 3 servings a week. Grill it for a smoky flavor, bake it with herbs for a soft, tender texture, or flake it into a fresh salad for a cooling, anti-inflammatory lunch. Just make sure it's wild-caught, and you're not only enjoying a delicious meal, you're actively giving your legs and joints the nutrients they need to keep you mobile, independent, and pain-free well into your later years. Number 6. Bone broth. This is the classic, time-tested collagen powerhouse that generations before us relied on without even knowing the science behind it. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering animal bones, often beef, chicken, or turkey, for hours, sometimes even a full day, until all the minerals, amino acids, and collagen are released into the liquid. For seniors over 60, it's like drinking joint repair in a cup. The collagen in bone broth is already broken down into gelatin, which your body absorbs easily and uses to rebuild cartilage, strengthen ligaments, and keep the cushioning in your knees and hips intact. If swelling is your problem, bone broth brings more than just collagen. It's also rich in glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to aching joints. What makes bone broth especially valuable? For seniors is its combination of hydration and nutrients. The warm liquid helps improve circulation in your legs, which can reduce that heavy, swollen feeling at the end of the day. At the same time, the minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus reinforce your bones, making them less prone to fractures. This is crucial after 60, when bone density naturally declines. Many seniors find that just 1 cup a day, whether sipped like tea or used as the base for soups and stews, gradually improves joint flexibility and reduces stiffness in the morning. Research shows that consuming gelatin-rich foods like bone broth can help slow down the breakdown of collagen in your joints, meaning you're not just fixing current damage, you're protecting against future wear. For best results, make it at home with a long simmer to extract the maximum nutrients and add vegetables and herbs like carrots, celery, onions, parsley, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to pull even more minerals from the bones. The result is a comforting, nourishing drink that warms you from the inside out and keeps your joints and legs feeling strong and supported year-round. Number 5. Eggs. Simple, affordable, and found in almost every kitchen. Eggs are one of the most overlooked collagen boosters for seniors. The magic lies in the egg whites, which are packed with proline, an amino acid your body needs to build and repair collagen. But don't throw away the yolk. It contains vitamin D, healthy fats, and choline, all of which help reduce inflammation and support muscle strength around your joints. This combination not only gives your knees and hips the structural support they need, but also helps prevent the kind of chronic swelling that makes walking uncomfortable after 60. For seniors dealing with leg heaviness or joint stiffness, adding eggs to your diet can be an easy daily win. The protein in eggs is considered complete, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. This is crucial because collagen production is like building a wall. Without every brick amino acid, the structure won't hold up. By starting your morning with 2 eggs, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to repair overnight wear and prepare your joints for the day. Studies have linked higher egg consumption with improved muscle retention in older adults, which indirectly protects your joints by keeping the muscles around them strong. Plus, the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in the yolk not only protect your eyes, but also fight oxidative stress that can damage joint tissues over time. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet with vegetables, eggs are one of the easiest, most versatile collagen-friendly foods you can eat. And unlike expensive supplements, they work naturally with your body's own repair system to keep your legs lighter, your joints stronger, and your mobility intact. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes might not contain collagen themselves, but for seniors over 60, they're one of the most important allies your body has in making it. That's because citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't bind collagen fibers properly, leading to weaker cartilage, slower healing, and more frequent swelling in your legs and joints. Think of vitamin C as the glue that holds your collagen network together. Without it, those fibers loosen, your joint cushioning thins, and even everyday activities can cause irritation and pain. Citrus fruits also bring powerful antioxidant benefits, protecting joint cells from free radicals that accelerate aging. For seniors who already struggle with inflammation, this is critical. Antioxidants can calm the inflammatory process, which helps reduce swelling and stiffness, especially in the morning. Plus, vitamin C improves blood vessel health, supporting better circulation to your legs and ankles, which often suffer from fluid retention as we age. A daily serving of citrus can be as simple as adding half a grapefruit to your breakfast, squeezing fresh lemon into your water, or eating an orange as an afternoon snack. One long-term study even showed that older adults with higher vitamin C intake had better joint function and less visible swelling compared to those with lower intake. If fresh fruit isn't always available, frozen or even low-sugar dried slices can still deliver the benefits. Just avoid heavily processed juices with added sugars, as they can trigger inflammation rather than reduce it. By making citrus fruits a daily habit, you're ensuring that every other collagen-rich food you eat actually works, because without vitamin C, your body can't turn those nutrients into the strong, flexible tissue that keeps you moving pain-free. Number 3. Chicken. For seniors looking to keep their joints flexible and swelling under control, chicken, especially with the skin and connective tissue, is one of the most direct dietary sources of collagen you can get. Unlike plant foods that simply help your body make collagen, chicken actually contains the same type of collagen that's found in your own cartilage and ligaments. This means your body can break it down and use it as raw material to repair the cushioning between your bones, strengthen tendons, and keep your knees and hips from grinding painfully with every step. The skin, in particular, is rich in type 2 collagen, which is especially effective for joint health. Beyond collagen, chicken delivers a full spectrum of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass as you age. Strong muscles around the joints act like shock absorbers, reducing pressure and preventing inflammation from flaring up. Seniors who include chicken in their weekly diet often notice improved walking endurance and less stiffness in the mornings. Additionally, chicken contains minerals like phosphorus and zinc, which work together to maintain bone density and assist in the repair of joint tissue. The best part? It's versatile and easy to prepare in ways that preserve its collagen content. Slow cooking chicken drumsticks or thighs, roasting a whole bird, or simmering it into a soup with the bones and skin left on will give you a nutrient-rich broth alongside tender, protein-packed meat. Avoid heavily processed chicken products, which often lose collagen during manufacturing and may contain additives that promote inflammation. By keeping chicken on your menu 2 to 3 times a week, you're supplying your body with the very building blocks it needs to keep your joints strong, your legs light, and your mobility intact well into your later years. Number 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries might look small, but for seniors over 60, they're like a natural repair kit for your joints. While they don't contain collagen directly, berries are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to create and maintain collagen fibers. Without enough of it, the collagen in your cartilage and tendons starts to weaken, making swelling and stiffness more common. But berries go a step further. They're packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their deep red, purple, and blue colors. These compounds actively reduce inflammation in joint tissues, calm down the swelling in your legs, and protect cartilage cells from the oxidative stress that accelerates aging. For seniors who struggle with arthritis or recurring leg heaviness, berries can make a noticeable difference. One long-term study found that older adults who ate berries several times a week had better joint function and less pain compared to those who didn't. That's because anthocyanins also help block enzymes that break down collagen, meaning the collagen you already have stays stronger for longer. Plus, the natural fiber in berries supports healthy circulation by keeping blood sugar stable, which is crucial for avoiding fluid retention in the legs. The best way to enjoy them? Fresh is ideal, but frozen berries retain almost all their nutrients and can be just as effective. You can add them to oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply eat a handful as a snack. Avoid heavily sweetened berry products like jams or syrups, as the added sugar can trigger inflammation. By making berries a regular part of your diet, you're giving your body both the tools and the protection it needs to build strong collagen, reduce swelling, and keep your joints moving with ease well into your golden years. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard may not look like collagen foods at first glance, but for seniors over 60, they are the foundation that makes every other collagen source work better. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis, but they also provide a rare nutrient that's often missing from senior diets: chlorophyll. This green pigment doesn't just give plants their color. Studies suggest it may actually increase the precursor molecules your body needs to make new collagen. That means every bite of leafy greens is like planting seeds for stronger cartilage, healthier ligaments, and more resilient joints. Beyond collagen support, leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, which plays a direct role in keeping your bones strong and preventing calcium from building up in your arteries instead of your skeleton. This is crucial after 60, when bone density naturally declines and circulation issues can make swelling in the legs worse. The magnesium and potassium in these greens also help regulate fluid balance, reducing water retention and that heavy, aching feeling in your calves and ankles. Seniors who regularly eat leafy greens often report not just better mobility, but also improved balance and muscle function, both of which reduce fall risk. To get the maximum benefit, aim to have a serving of leafy greens every day. You can steam them lightly to preserve nutrients, add them raw to salads, or blend them into soups and smoothies. Pairing them with a healthy fat source like olive oil or avocado will boost absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, making each serving even more effective. Whether you grow them yourself, buy them fresh, or use frozen options in the winter, leafy greens are the quiet powerhouse of joint and leg health, helping you stay active, independent, and pain-free for years to come. And there you have it, 7 powerful collagen-rich foods that can help shrink swelling, protect your joints, and keep your legs moving with ease well into your later years. The key is not just knowing these foods, but making them a regular part of your life. Whether it's adding a handful of berries to your breakfast, sipping warm bone broth in the afternoon, or enjoying wild-caught salmon for dinner, each small choice adds up to big results over time. Remember, collagen isn't just about looks. It's about mobility, independence, and the freedom to keep doing the things you love without pain holding you back. Start with 1 or 2 of these foods this week, then build from there. Your future self, walking, bending, and living without constant stiffness, will thank you. And as always, listen to your body, stay consistent, and make your health a daily priority. This video was created for you by Healthy Seniors, where we help you take control of your health, one smart choice at a time.